Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to index your entire PC in Windows 10. This is a great thing to do to speed up your Windows 10 search results on your PC. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the Windows Start menu icon. You now need to go onto Settings and you now need to go onto Search. You now need to select the Searching Windows tab on the left hand side. And under where it says Find My Files, you now need to change from Classic to Enhanced. Windows by default always selects Classic, which means it will only index your libraries and desktop. So if you're searching on other locations on your PC, it will take a lot longer to search. So by changing it to Enhanced, this means it will index your entire PC. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one here. And as you can see, my indexed items and pending under indexing status are now increasing. Just remember, this can take a little while to do, but once the numbers have finished increasing, that's it. Windows 10 will now be fully indexed. And that's how easy it is to index your entire PC to make your Windows 10 search results quicker. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.